NGT. It's the new acronym that could spark passions, both good and bad, within the world of agriculture and health. On Wednesday, the European Commission presented its proposal to authorise and regulate so-called new genomic techniques. According to the Commission, these innovations could make it possible to develop plants that are more resistant to climate change and parasites. In short, NGTs can enhance food safety and make production more sustainable, benefiting consumers. And the seed industry says it agrees with the Commission.
We can be much faster, we can be much more targeted, and with that we can probably also be cheaper. So we will be able to focus our breeding, and we will be able to focus on traits that really matter to farmers, to consumers.
The principle behind these new genomic techniques is to mutate the existing genomes of a plant variety without adding genes from outside species. The Commission says that this innovation could, for example, halve the use of pesticides. But for environmental organisations, NGTs are just GMOs, otherwise known as genetically modified organisms.
Some years ago, the highest court in Europe made a ruling and said very clearly that new genomic techniques are GMOs. Legally, politically, scientifically, this is all sorted out. So far, there's very limited research done how they could impact nature, how they could impact human health. And to make it more concrete, if you think about butterflies, about bees and our pollinators, there haven't been really comprehensive research if they might be impacted or not. And you think before you can put them in nature, you should do some basic safety checks.
For think tanks and NGOs, the Commission's proposal removes labelling requirements and safety controls, resulting in a lack of transparency for consumers and producers. The debate is now open though, and it's up to EU countries and the European Parliament to give their views on these new technologies.